Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a search bar in Wix, step by step. If you want your visitors to quickly find pages, products, or blog posts on your website, adding a search bar can make a huge difference. Instead of clicking through multiple pages, users can simply type what they're looking for and get results instantly. It not only improves the user experience, but also makes your site feel more professional and easier to navigate, especially as your content grows. First, open your Wix editor and look at the top left corner. Click the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is where all the elements for your website are located. From here, go to the Menu and Search category. This section includes navigation tools and search features. Now click on Site Search. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to enable it. Just click Enable and Wix will start setting up the search feature for your website. What's happening here is that Wix is creating an index of your site, meaning it's organizing your content so it can be searched using keywords. This might take a few moments, so if you see a loading icon, just wait for it to finish. Nothing will break, it's just preparing everything in the background. Once that's done, go back again to the Add panel, then Menu and Search, and then Site Search. Now you'll see different search options, including icons and full search bars. Choose the one you like, then click and drag it onto your page. Place it somewhere easy to find, like your header or near the top of the page. A full search bar is more noticeable and encourages people to use it, while a small icon works better if you want a cleaner look.
After placing it, your search bar is ready to use right away. Visitors can simply type in keywords, and Wix will automatically scan your site and display the most relevant results based on your pages, products, or blog posts. This makes it much faster for users to find what they're looking for without having to navigate through multiple sections. If it doesn't respond instantly at first, that's completely normal. It may still be finishing the indexing process in the background, so just give it a little time and it will start working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Wix website, making it easier for visitors to navigate and find exactly what they're looking for. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.